All right, this is going to be a quick demo of the simple way to find verified emails for cold outreach. What I'm going to do now is I'm using Gemini, Google's version of ChatGPT for this demo. And then I'm going to use a tool called Findly, which I've been messing around with for the last going on 2 months now. Works great for me. If you do want to check out Findly for yourself, the link's going to be directly below in the video description box and the pinned comment. Help support my channel. I'd appreciate it. And it is a discount link. So check it out directly below. So with that being said, let's dive in here. And what I'm going to do now is I have a prompt ready where it says find 15 small to mid-sized digital marketing agencies in Austin, Texas. For each agency, give me only the agency name, website, decision maker name, decision maker title, LinkedIn profile URL if publicly available, and then it tells you the targeted decision makers, etc. What we're going to do now is we're going to let this work, and then we're going to go over to Findly, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use this tool. So if you're on the market to find verified emails quickly and easily, this is a good tool to do just that. So let's wait for this to come up with its emails. We're going to come back here. It's going to take a second. It's going to find all 15. What we're going to do is take the names and the websites and go over to Findly, which is right here. And we're going to put the name in here and then the website right here. And when it's verified, there's going to be a green check mark next to it. This is so simple to use. I love this tool for finding. So you're not going out asking ChatGPT or Gemini a bunch of, trying to find emails and then half of them don't work. Some do, but most are going to bounce. These are only verified emails, so they're not going to bounce on you. And the delivery rate, I've sent hundreds of emails using this tool, and literally I've only got a few that bounce. So it's in the high 90s for deliverability. So it's a good investment if you're doing a lot of cold email outreach. So what this does is, this is Findly, the inside. You got an email finder. This is a simple tool here. You got a bulk where you can upload bulk names, websites, all that stuff, which is right here. You can click a file and it can do that for you. I basically just use this. I keep it really simple and just use the single one and send them out individually. But if you want to speed it up and you're sending like 1,000 emails or something like a lot, you probably want to use the bulk one. But if you're only sending, a couple a day or up to 50 a day, whatever it may be, I'd rather use this one. It just makes it easier. It's a little more time consuming, but you're going to make sure you get the right emails and you can send them out and, personalized to each contact that you find. So it's got a telematch, signals, email verifier, contacts, phone finder, all that good stuff. But like I said, I just use this specific feature. So we're going to go back to Gemini. Still working here. Let's try this. Speed this up a little bit. We're going to put it in one more time. Let me refresh this real quick. Try this one more time. Let's see what happens. If not, I'll just show you how to do this with the emails I already have. Here we go right here. Now it's working. Below are 15 small to mid-sized digital marketing and advertising agencies based in Austin, Texas with their respective decision makers. So you got the agency name, the website, the decision maker, the title, and their LinkedIn profile URL. What we need for this specific tool is just the name of the person, actually. So we're going to put in this Ricardo Casas. We're going to go back over here. We're going to put that in here. And we're just going to put the website name. And that's the website. So basically all you need is a website and it defines the name of the person you're trying to contact. And it's going to run through here. If you look up here, this is the credits I got remaining for the month. Depending on what package you get more or less credits. But that's it right there. We're going to click Find Email. And look, just like that. Look how quick that was. Done. It's got the name and then the outcome. This is a real email right here you can send. It's verified with a green check mark. All you got to do is click to copy, send it out. Good to go. We're going to go back again. And I'm going to show you a few more examples. This is Blackhawk Digital Marketing. And then you can personalize these to each individual contact, obviously. So it sounds more personalized. So you get better results, obviously. And then the website is going to be right there. We're going to paste the website in this box. Click find email. And you can tell right here it'll go down by one. If it finds it, obviously it's verified. And you got it right here. That quick. So that's a verified email right now, so it's not going to bounce. Click it, copy it. You can send out. We're going to try one more time. And this is how cool this tool is. Super simple to use. Like I said, all you said, you need the name of the contact and a website address. Click find email, and you're off to the races. And this is going to drastically improve your deliverability through all your outbound email marketing. You're not going to be sending a bunch of garbage emails that are going to bounce and they're just wasting your time. All right, here we go again. Let's go back here. Try number 3. We got Rock Candy Media. There's our contact name. Now we're going to go back over here. And then we're going to go find the website. It is right here, rockcandymedia.com. And we'll do this. I don't think you even need to put the actual HTTPS in there. Just rockcandymedia.com. Rockcandy.media.com is fine. Click find email. And boom. So I found all 3 of them and they're all verified. If it doesn't find it, it'll say did not find the email with a sad face. So you know it's not don't send, obviously. And if it does find it, it's going to be a green check mark. So all you do is copy and paste and you're off to the races. Now let me go back here. So this is a tool, like I said, if you want to check this out, I'd really appreciate it. If you do so through and support my channel, don't cost you anything extra. Link's going to be in the video description box and the pinned comment section directly below. And I only recommend products that I actually use myself. And this is one of them that I really like. So what we're going to do now is go back over here. So all you got to do is go all the way through all your contacts. Gemini is the best for this because it takes real-time data from Google and finds the contacts. So I definitely find Gemini is the best for this specific task. And that's all you got to do. Easy. And then you can also ask Gemini. This is another cool tip. Can you go through and create personalized emails for everyone on this list? Now what Gemini is going to do is going to take all the names of all your contacts and it's going to create personalized emails for your outbound email campaign. And then you got a subject line, the email, and then the name is personalized for every single one. Obviously, you can make it better. Tell Gemini to add this, add that, so you get exactly how you want it. And then you can basically, once you have all the emails how you want it, if you're doing this at scale, copy and paste, and you're off to the races. But this is the best tool I've found for this, called Findly Mail. An awesome tool. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me in the comments directly below. If you like this video, hit the like button. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.